we have the boosters here, super transfer. You can't use that on the first match, you have to use them on the other matches. In this way, normally you have 100 transfers for the group stage, but for that, if you use that booster, none of the transfers will be used. It's free. So that's why you can get 11 new players in your team. And then we have triple impact. That means any of the players will be counted as triple points. And then you will have one captain and one vice captain. So in that match you will have one triple captain, and then you have the captain and you have the vice captain. And if you use these doubles, that means the whole team for a match they will get double points. Okay, we will get for the first match. Conway, I think we'll get with Alan. Okay, if imagine you have got the batters, top batters, that's why you will get 5, 6 batters and one all-rounder, Steinis, and the bowlers. Yeah. Yeah. If you have picked the power batters, you can pick a team like this. When you have 6 batters here. So these 6, imagine they get 300 points, you will get 600 points as doubles. And obviously you will get the batters who are getting the doubles. You can see these are the double markers, and you can get them as doubles. As your captain and vice captain also. Okay, yeah, you can continue. I don't want to continue, I'm just showing you. Okay, imagine you will pick the other booster. Imagine you will pick the bowler booster. Then you can get is we'll pick the bowlers. That's why we'll get the batsmen in. Okay. Yeah. Let's get the best bowlers around. 1, 2, 3. We can get maximum 6. So that's why we will get 6 bowlers. We have 3 left. If we have 3 left, we can get Warner. Okay, Warner is up. Conway is up. So imagine you are playing the booster for the bowlers. In that case, you will get all the bowlers in for one match, and in the same way, you will get the best bowlers as the captain and vice captain. So in that case, you can maximize your booster. Okay, in the same way, let's get the all-rounder booster. Let's get the all-rounder booster here. Okay, so we have the all-rounder booster. We can get 3 bowlers. In terms of all-rounders, we can only get 4 all-rounders in. So that's why we get 1, 2, 3 and 4. These will be my top 4 all-rounders. Okay. So let's get it done. Let's change it. It didn't change. Yep. Now we have 4 all-rounders picked. Okay. So among these all-rounders, I will get the captain and vice captain. Okay. That's how I can maximize these points. Alright, let's get on to the all-rounder booster. Power keeper as it's called. I will get all the three because I know Josh won't play, so that's why I'll get. Imagine we get all the fours. If he plays, you have to play a match where the maximum run scoring wicket keepers are playing. So in the same way, we will continue and we will get Conway and Matthew Wade as captain, vice captain. Yeah. So this is how we can use the boosters.